Let's walk through the workflow I've created in n8n. This workflow is triggered by the Google Drive Create or Update node, which runs daily to check for new or updated files. Once a file is detected, it's downloaded and passed into the Qdrant vector store. The workflow automatically splits the file into chunks, generates embeddings for those chunks, and stores the embedded data into Qdrant for future querying. This makes sure that every new document added to Google Drive becomes instantly available in our knowledge base. In the second part of the workflow, I've connected everything with a chat model. This enables users to directly interact with the system through a simple chat interface, instead of manually browsing through stored data. Here you can see the actual data feeding workflow in action. Each node runs step by step, downloading a file, splitting it into chunks, embedding it, and finally storing it in Qdrant. This step-by-step visualization makes it clear how the information flows through the system and gets prepared for querying. Now let's move to the chat model workflow. I type a query into the chat window, and the request first goes to the AI agent. The AI agent checks if the information is available in the system memory. If it isn't, the agent passes the request to a sub-agent, which queries the Qdrant vector database and retrieves the right results. Finally, the response is shown back to the user, completing the query cycle. As you can see, the workflow dynamically decides whether to use recent memory or to fetch results from the Qdrant database. This helps balance speed and accuracy. If the answer is old, you get it instantly, and if not, the system automatically looks deeper into the stored data. Here, I'm asking the same question again. This time, since the answer is already in the system memory, the AI agent responds directly without querying the Qdrant database. This highlights how memory makes repeated questions much faster. So far, we've seen how the workflow processes data, how the chat model connects with the AI agent, and how it smartly chooses between memory and the Qdrant vector store to provide answers in real time. Finally, when we activate the workflow, this is what the end user sees: a simple and clean chat interface where they can ask questions naturally. The AI agent responds instantly using stored knowledge or by fetching new results from Qdrant when needed. This creates a smooth and intelligent user experience, with automation handling all the complexity in the background. Thank you for watching this video.